Hello everyone and welcome back to Speedy Japanese, where we're doing Year 4 Lesson 6. Today we're going to be covering Japanese greetings. So we've done introductions, colours and classroom words in the past. Today we're going to be covering some greetings, and this will allow me to use some more Japanese greetings when we're talking in the future. So we're going to cover greetings. We're going to talk about times of day and what different times of day you might use each of these greetings. And that way you won't look so strange when you say good evening at 8 o'clock in the morning. Alright, so starting at the start, we might start at the start of the day in the morning in Japanese. If we wanted to say good morning to someone, we might say Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. So it's quite long for good morning, but I guess good morning isn't that short in English either. So Ohayo gozaimasu. For short, if you were just talking to someone casually in your house, you might just say Ohayo. But if you were speaking to someone like your teacher or your boss, you'd say Ohayo gozaimasu, Ohayo gozaimasu, just the once, but just repeating it so that you can remember. So you try saying it with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ohayo gozaimasu. Alright, so that's good morning. Now I think everyone knows the normal hello. You can use it at pretty much any time of the day, the morning, midday, afternoon. That's konnichiwa, and I'm pretty sure everybody in the world has heard konnichiwa. So let's practice that one once. Konnichiwa. 1, 2, 3. Konnichiwa. Alright, we'll move straight on. I don't think konnichiwa needs to be laboured too much. Let's go to number 3, which is obviously going to be good evening. So if you want to say good evening to someone, you would say konbanwa. Konbanwa. Alright? Konbanwa. 1, 2, 3. Konbanwa. Sounds a bit funny for some reason to me right now, but konbanwa. So if you came home and you saw mum or dad, you say konbanwa. Konbanwa. Alright, let's say that one together. 1, 2, 3. Konbanwa. Alright, so there's 3 greetings for good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Now, some other things you might say when you're greeting someone. You might ask them how they are, like in English, hey, how's it going? Hey, how are you? Hey, what's up? All of those sorts of things. If you wanted to say in Japanese, we'd say genki desu ka? Genki desu ka? Genki desu ka? Alright, so remember all these are written down beneath if you're having trouble remembering them. If you want to ask how are you, genki desu ka? Ready? Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. Genki desu ka? Remember, ka is a question, so obviously if someone asks you genki desu ka, you need to say, hey, yeah, I'm good, I'm okay, I'm fine. In Japanese, you would just say genki desu yo, or genki desu, like, yeah, I'm okay. Yo is just a method of adding some enthusiasm, so at the end of your sentence you go, yeah, I'm fantastic, it's genki desu yo. Oh yeah, I'm good. Alright, so, we've got a how are you. If we wanted to say see you later to people, the formal way of saying goodbye is sayonara. 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 That's the super formal way. If you're just talking to your friends or like workmates, you'd just say ja mata ne. Mata ne. Ja mata ne. Ja ne. There's a few different variants of it. There's ja mata ne, or mata ne, or ja ne, depending on where you are. People will use those different sort of shortened versions, but ja mata ne is pretty much I'll see you later, I'll see you again. So ja mata ne is we'll see you later. So let's try that one. 1, 2, 3. Ja mata ne. Alright, great. So that's we'll see you later. There was one more sentence that I wanted to cover. We'll see you later. Ah, yes, of course. Have a nice day. If you want to, wish someone well, have a nice day. In Japanese, you would say, yoi ichinichi yo. So, yoi is the word for good. You don't always use yoi, but in this sentence you do. Yoi ichinichi, so pretty much a day. O, it's like wishing them to have one. So, yoi ichinichi yo. Yoi ichinichi yo. Alright, so let's say it. 1, 2, 3. Yoi ichinichi yo. Say it together. 1, 2, 3. Yoi ichinichi yo. Alright, that's a bit of fun one there. Now the last 2 things we'll teach you is just they're not really important Japanese, but it's fun Japanese. It's the Hogen, which means different parts of Japan might use different slang words. For example, I lived in Okinawa for a few months, and in Okinawa when people say hello, they're like, "Hi sai." It's like hello, but I think it sounds much cooler. So, "Hi sai." Let's try that one. 1, 2, 3. "Hi sai." Alright, and in other parts of Japan, like particularly Sendai and other places, when they're saying good evening, instead of saying konbanwa, they might say oban desu. Oban desu. So let's say that one. 1, 2, 3. Oban desu. Alright, so we've had lots of different greetings and things we can say to people as we greet them or say goodbye to them. So we had Ohayo gozaimasu, konnichiwa, konbanwa, sayonara, じゃあまたね、良い一日を、はいさい and おばんです。So go ahead and try and use those with people in your house, like when you see them, hello, goodbye. And that's probably one other one we could do. I don't want to leave this out. This one isn't down below, so a little bonus for anyone that's watching the video is how you say I'm home. In Japanese, when people walk into their house, they'll say tadaima. It's like I'm home. They probably won't wave their hand like that, but as you've probably picked up, I like doing actions and talking with my hands, so they'll say tadaima. And when you hear someone say tadaima, you say okaeri. It's like welcome home. Okaeri, okaeri. Or if they're super formal, okaeri nasai. But mainly in a house setting, when kids get home from school, like tadaima, and mum's like okaeri, okaeri. So let's practice getting home. Tadaima. 1, 2, 3. Tadaima. Nice. Alright. And then if you're a mum, or if it's a mum watching, let's practice what you say, and that's okaeri. Yeah, that was a kind of odd accent. Okaeri. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okaeri. Alright, excellent. So there's a lot of greetings. I hope you find them useful. Go ahead and use them at home, at work, at school. Wherever people speak Japanese or not, use them anyway. They'll learn what they mean, and you'll get to practice using Japanese. So I hope you guys enjoyed lesson 6. We've covered all sorts of greetings, and we can use those along with our Jiko Shokai and things that we learnt in earlier lessons. So hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll catch you next time in lesson number 7. Thanks guys. We'll see you later on Speedy Japanese.